Hi everybody, thank you so much for volunteering to be part of this kit for us. I'm going to start off with the bag, which you're going to stamp the front of it there. See, I've done there. That's obviously easiest to do while the bag is flat. I tend to do a whole batch in one go with the stamp. Then open it up, and in the bag scroll up the flower picture. That goes in first. And it has time, it spreads out around the outside and it's not going to get creased. Next you have your little envelope for the seeds. Now you don't need much in the way of seeds because they're very, very tiny, these native seeds. So one pinch of seeds, and I've got close to 20 seeds in there, so I probably need a little bit less. But you want, say, a dozen seeds will be plenty for the amount of soil that we're giving people. So that goes into the envelope. Here we go. And then we're going to fasten it down. And I would use a little bit of water on that. So just a dip of water onto the front there to fasten down the envelope. It can go into the bag. Next is the soil. So the smaller bag is going to be used for soil. 1 cup. And it's actually easiest probably to put the soil into a tub of some sort or a bucket so that it's a bit easier to pull the scoops out. Here we go. Right, so here's my soil. 1 nice cup. Once that's done, fold it down a few times like that. You're going to staple the top, and that goes into the bag too. And then the last thing to go in is the small instruction sheet. That just slips in down the side. So now I have the flower picture, the instruction sheet, the soil and the seeds all in together. Bring it together at the top, just one fold over so that you're not crushing the flower picture at all. Staple up on top there, and there's your bag complete. And hopefully there'll be some seeds left over you can plant yourself. If you don't, please get back to us because we want you all to be able to plant your own wildlife seeds if you're able to do that. And there you go. Thanks for helping to do this for us. Bye.